back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my edges. I really don't have edges, but how I fake my edges. So yeah, today's video is going to be really short and quick and out, like, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna share with you guys the stuff that I use to do my edges. I use my Got2b my Eco Styling Gel, I use beeswax, and I use a rat tail comb. Sometimes I only use beeswax, sometimes I only use the Eco Styling Gel, but in today's video I'm going to be using both. So as you guys can see right now, my edges are not done. This is what it looks like. So what I like to do is take some Got2b glue gel like this and literally just line it on the edge of my hair. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Like that. And then I go in with my rat tail comb to create the illusion that I have baby hairs. So yeah, I just start by basically combing the ends of my hair down like this. Because if I was to take it out, you guys can see how long this is, and this is way too long for baby hairs. So I literally just keep everything back. And what I do is I make a line. It's like I start like right here. I just place a comb on my scalp right here, and then I drag all this hair down like this. You can literally make a line if you want to, like this, and then I hold my hands on the hair that I just dragged out, and then I do a little swoop like this, and then we do like that. And then I'm gonna do the same. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the piece in the bottom. So right directly underneath the piece that we just swooped, we're just going to do the same thing. Comb the hairs down and then swoop like this. Let me add some more gel like this. And that's how we do some baby hairs. Now I'm just gonna do this throughout the rest of my hair. We create the little invisible line like this. Take all the hairs right underneath the line and literally drag it down. And then swoop. Drag and swoop. And you can always just come back to fix. If you accidentally mess up the one underneath, you can just come back to take some hairs out. Let's do the other side. Doing my edges, I like to just go in with some beeswax on top of the swoops that we just made, like this. Okay, so once I'm finished applying the beeswax on top of the swoops, I just go back in and swoop it all over again.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
Okay guys, so this is the final product. Yeah, I literally just do my edges really quick and it's really simple. I don't have edges, so this is how I do it and it looks like I have edges. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.